This is amazing. I don't know if you knew this, but I wrote an article and submitted it to two Israeli newspapers, and they both printed the articles. Arut Sheva, the largest conservative newspaper in Israel, plus Israel 365, wrote this, put in my article. And I couldn't believe it. And the article was about the Torah portion for this weekend. So we'll be talking about that. But it says here on this that they titled it The Real Reason for the October 7th Attack and a Call to Build a House of Prayer for the Nations. That's Israel 365. Here is the article in Arut Sheva that also talks about it. Here's what it looked like. If you go to Israel National News, you'll see the one here, a calendric reason by Pastor Mark Belts. One of the things I want to show you, here's another where you get to the article. And I'm just going to summarize this article real quick for you. And you'll see how it ties into the Torah portion today. That two different conservative Israeli newspapers that go to the religious people printed this article telling Israel to wake up and rebuild the temple. So, woohoo! All